Take it to you quickly, one by one.
Festival today.
What is
Just have a look.
What is this? इसमें ना आटा पीटा मुझे पता चला कि ये सर है और ये कान।
So many games, you would have become very, very creative, very, very imaginative, very, very strong child.
वो तो है।
So now you have to create a story using these two properties.
हाँ, using a broom.
Yes.
And a ladle.
Yes, quickly, and then you are done with the game.
अरे यार, मुझे कोई स्टोरी नहीं आता है आटा पीटा. What story shall I say? With a ladle. Away, there lived two sailors, and they were on an adventure, going on a nice fishing boat. And then let's see what happened. Dun, 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 dun. Where are the sailors? The sailors are going to come now, and they are going on an adventure, on a big adventure. And let us find out what they will do with the
No. Everybody. I am Captain Hook, and I am the captain of this beautiful ship, and we are going on a beautiful adventure. But I go on adventure always with my friend.
Hello, I am Captain Hook, and I am going on an adventure, and I am the captain of this ship.
I just told all of them that I am the captain. You please stop. I am the captain.
I am the captain on Mondays.
I am the captain on Tuesday.
I am the captain on Thursday.
Friday I am captain.
On Saturday, I am captain. And then, wait, what day is today? Oh, sure, I am the captain.
Okay, captain. For today, what should I do? You please tell me, captain.
What shall I make him do? Ha! You clean the boat and make it ship shape.
Every time she becomes the captain, she's making me do all the hard work. Okay. Let me do this and finish it off. All of you sing along with me. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Da 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 da. I'm so tired. I am going to teach the captain a lesson. Some oil.
Ahoy, captain.
I hope the ship is to your expertise. It's very clean. Please let me help you.
My eye patch also fell away. You made me fall.
See, when you are the chief for the day, you're also the chef for the day. Quickly make me a very, very yummy soup. I'm very, very hungry, okay? Quickly.
Wait, I have to teach him a lesson. I have an idea. Let me get this hot, burning cauldron. And with this ladle, I'm going to make him a soup. Now, first of all, let me put a bucket full of salt water. Now, all of you have to help me put some really weird, crazy things. Hold it in your hand. On the spiders, snakes, sharks, salt, onion, chili, cockroaches, dragons. All of you hold your hand. 1, 2, 3, push. Here you go, my darling captain.
I was so hungry.
Yummy
Glug,
soup.
glug, 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 glug.
Ha.
I asked you to make me a soup because I was so hungry. And what have you given me? I am not going to leave you.
Boy down.
I'm not going to leave. You get out from my
try and go to the bottom of the ocean.
Even I don't want to go to the bottom.
Wait, Captain, I have some yummy soup for you. The fish that I caught yesterday, I will get it for you. Okay?
Yeah.
I'll take it with me.
I can only go on an adventure with my friend. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm sure we're going to have a fantastic time as long as my friend with me and I get to do lot of activities with my friend.
Well, Tata Pika, did you like the story? I just made it up with a ladle and a broom. Wow, this is really fun. When I'm alone at home, I never think of all these creative things, you know.
Ramya, Mike.
Thank you so much, Amit. Where is my mic? Oh, there it is. Okay. Can you all hear me now? I was just telling that when I am at home, I never think of these creative things, but just with a ladle and a broom, I made such a beautiful.
मैंने बोला ना ऑपोजिट बैठ जाओ वेरी टेंशन फर्स्ट सीट पे बैठ के तुम लोग भी सुन रहे हो ठीक है ऑब्वियसली एक ऑपोजिट क्या ऑब्वियसली सोने लगे 3 बच्चे मुझे मिल गए जो सिर्फ सोने आए हैं आप पेरेंट्स ने टिकट वेस्ट करी ये सो रहे हैं आप दोनों कुछ नहीं बैठ रहे हो ये तो लेट भी गई है
Okay, I read the manual, but I don't know how to read. Excuse me, can you please come? Do you know to read English?
Apply on your lower lip.
Oh, look.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'll apply on the upper lip also, just in case.
Okay.
Okay.
Some more.
Some more?
Yeah.
No, mirror, I have a mirror. It's my eyes. Please don't tell her.
Okay.
Okay.
How do you look?
I look beautiful.
You look very beautiful.
तुम्हें पता है इमेजिनेशन क्या होती है? क्या क्या बताओ जोर से बोलो। है ना? Thinking. या तो सब कितने स्मार्ट है यार सब बच्चों के लिए तालियां। इमेजिनेशन होती है जो हमारे दिमाग में होती है, हाँ? सच में नहीं होती। हम सोचते हैं वो है इमेजिनेशन। तो चलो इमेजिनेशन गेम खेलते हैं, ओके? तो let's imagine that we are on a beach. We are at a beach.
Beach too?
बहुत सारा पानी।
This is so cool. What do you have? Okay, look here. Wow. This is very cool. Okay. Thank you. Can I take this back?
मेरे साथ मजाक मत करो जरा. Okay. Where is your daddy?
My daddy?
Yes, where is your daddy?
My daddy?
Yes.
My daddy is out there.
It's 2 o'clock right now, no sun, and I'll just show you the stalls of the festival. Have a look.
देखो सबको नमस्ते बोलोगे. आप बोलो नमस्ते. जी मेरा नाम है सत्यजीत.
क्या?
आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम सत्यजीत है, समझे? अरे नहीं. Outcome.com.
Because I have so many dots.
So
अरे भैया गिर जाओगे. हाँ, very good. Good boy.
so what's your name?
My name is .com.
What? .com?
Yeah, .com.
But how come .com?
because I have so many dots.
तुम रहते कहाँ हो?
इसके गली में।
अच्छा, पिछले गली में। तुम्हें पता है? उस दिन तो मैं उस गली से गुजर रहा था ना? वो ऐसे ही वॉक मुझे बताओ मैं इसके जैसा दिखता हूँ क्या? ये क्या देख रहे हो? मैं इसके जैसा दिखता
Sorry, please. Oh, okay, sorry, please. Oh, okay.